Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information. How to remove the dryer drum light. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Unplug dryer or disconnect power. Remove the two 5/16" hex head screws from the back of the top panel. Lift the rear of the top panel, pull back, and remove top panel from the dryer. Disconnect the human-machine interface, or HMI connector, from the appliance control unit, or ACU. Detach one harness clip from the console bracket. Using a 1/4" nut driver, remove two hex head screws, one on each side of the panel console top. Gently lift up on the four console tabs. Separate console assembly from bracket while routing the HMI harness through the opening in the console bracket. Next, remove the two 1/4" hex head screws from the top of the console bracket and two from the front of the bracket. Remove the three 1/4" hex head screws at the top of the front panel. Remove the console bracket to access drum light and set aside for reinstallation. If not done already, unplug connector J6 from the ACU that is connected to drum light. Unclip the harness clip. Depress the tabs on both sides of the drum light to release from bulkhead. Route the light and harness assembly through the hole from inside the drum. Route replacement light back through hole inside drum and secure tabs in place. Reattach harness clip. Plug J6 connector back into ACU. Reinstall the console bracket and check that it is secured properly. Using the three 1/4" hex head screws, reattach the top front panel. Next, reattach the console bracket using two 1/4" hex head screws to the front of the bracket and two hex head screws to the top of the bracket. Route the HMI harness through the opening in the console bracket. Reposition and attach the front console. Attach the harness clip to the console bracket. Plug the HMI connector back into the ACU. Reattach the console panel using two 1/4 inch hex head screws. Replace the top panel and reattach using the two 5/16 inch hex head screws. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3 or 4 prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. Reconnect power.